Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to fix lag in Roblox. So firstly we have to get into the game of Roblox and turn down some graphic settings. So click on any game. After getting into the game, wait a few minutes for the game to load. Now press escape, go to the settings button. Now in the graphics mode you have to set it to manual, and if your graphics quality is set to any higher than the lowest, just turn it down to the lowest possible. After that, you have to go to the Windows search panel, then type control panel and open. Now go to the power option. In here you have to set either to the ultimate performance preset or high performance preset. After changing the power settings, you have to go to the search panel yet again and type run, then type %temp% and open. Now delete all the temporary and cached files that are in here. Now right click and click on delete. After the files are deleted, you will be facing no longer lags in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.